Good morning. Okay, I had a couple of questions about the units on our site. So the units on our site are not customized at all. They're just styled a little bit. Now, what normally happens when you decide to get one of our daily wear units, you purchase the unit, and then we schedule a video consultation where you tell me what you would like done to your unit. Now, there are some services that are included with the unit. So if we have our scheduled Zoom and you see, I want this cut, I want the knots bleached, I want it styled a particular way, of course, that is included. A lot of the times we do have to add baby hair. Now, we don't pluck the baby hairs. Most of the time we add baby hairs on your unit via ventilation. I don't recommend you plucking these units like that, but some people do. But normally we do add baby hair through ventilation. Now, baby hair up to a certain extent is included in the unit. But when you get into adding a widow's peak or extra baby hair, that will incur extra fees. For example, if you see a unit that we have on our site that you want and you want highlights, that will incur an extra fee. Extra baby hairs added will incur an extra fee. Extra hair in general added will incur an extra fee. A lot of the times, see, this is the thing that I try to explain to people. You can have 10 18-inch dark chocolate small cap units, and all 10 are going to fit differently. I try to explain that to people a lot of the times. So sometimes you'll come in and you'll see, I see this unit. You'll come into this to our office, and I try on a unit, and you'll love it, and you'll say, you know what? If it was just a little bit smaller, it would be perfect. Now, in that instance, you can create you a custom unit that is smaller. But 9 times out of 10, it's not going to be exactly the same as the unit that you tried on in the office. It's not going to be the same. They're always different. It could be the way the volume is, and the top can be one could be a little flatter. It's never going to be exactly the same. So in those instances, I recommend you get in that unit and us adjusting the cap. That's normally what I recommend. A lot of the times people want a new one, it's not going to fit the same. In that instance where I do have to tailor the cap, there's a small charge for tailoring the cap, and that is because we literally have to take the cap apart for the most part in order to tailor the cap. I don't fold it and sew it. We literally have to take the cap apart. So because of that, it will incur an extra charge. Now, they're adjustable. We have different types. We have adjustable straps, of course, and we do wig grips and all those things. So that is something to consider. But all of this we talk about during the consultation. So we also do just custom from the very beginning. Now, custom from the very beginning, where we measure your head, and we do that, of course. Most of the things we do custom cranial prosthesis. The reason we have the units on our site was because we have clients who want to have our services remote, and they want to order a unit that they see, and like that. But for the most part, most of it is custom. So you'll see on our site, you might see, this particular unit. You'll come in to see this particular unit that is on our site, and then once you get in, you want that unit, but you'll say, I want one just like this but longer, or I want one just like this but larger. So a lot of the times people still come in and get a unit based off the units on our site. The units on our site are to show you the possibilities of having a daily wear piece. You don't have to look like Mama's Family. You don't have to look like one of the Golden Girls, so that's just what it is. So when you come in, of course, you see one on our site that you like, and we come in for a consultation, or we do a virtual consultation, you like it, you can have it just like that as is. And if you want to have further customizations done, you can do it through us or through your stylist. It all depends, but you can definitely have a custom piece made. So trying to explain it a little bit. This is not a salon. It's not a salon, so it's not like that.